Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, it's a completely different kind of unboxing. It's not going to be about kicks, trainers. This is going to be about my new workhorse, the Mac Pro M1 Silicon. Let's go. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I haven't even taken it out of the box. This is open, but then I thought, no, I'm going to do the whole experience with you because I've had a Mac Pro since 2012 and never upgraded. I haven't seen a space grey one. It sounds nuts, but I've never even been into the Apple shop and looked at another Mac. I've looked at the iMacs, but never looked at a Mac. And my 2012 Mac was a 15-inch because I love the big real estate. But I'm actually dropping this one to, you know what, let's just get into the unboxing and you can see exactly what I've got. So this is the box, that's open, woo, there it is, Mac Pro, sorry, MacBook Pro. Let's take this out, hold up, okay, nothing else in the box, put that to one side, let's put that down here. Yeah, wow, there you go, it says it there, MacBook Pro, nothing, Apple logo on that side, MacBook Pro again on that side, Apple logo on that side. Let me tell you what specs I've got here. I have bought the, it says MacBook Pro 13.3, I've shown that it says inch, CPU, BC, CPU 16 gig, 512 gigs, that's it. I can't really read no more, but yeah, so how do you open this? Oh, pulley here, is that it? Oh, carrying around, okay. Here it is, throw that away and just lift. The suspense, can you hear it? Put that to one side. Lift this up. Oh wow, it's small. Yeah, oh, okay. Let's put that to one side for now. What we got? We got USB-C to USB-C charging, which is cool. We got designed by Apple in here. What we got in here? Let's have a look. Oh, sorry. Leaflet, which is how to open it, what it looks like, and the keyboard. Oh, it's got that magic touch bar thing as well. So that's one side, little more bump, and silver stickers. Space grey, I suppose. Yeah. All right, cool. Okay. Do you know what? I've never used those stickers. I don't know what you do with them. I don't know where people put them. Comment below. Let me know what you do with your stickers. Do you just keep them and keep them in this booklet? Do you put them on top of your computer? I don't know. Let me know. Got a UK charging plug and charging block. I suppose strip that off now. That goes into slots in there. Oh, this block's got paper on it as well. I'll just tear that off. Oh man, I usually like doing that neat, but oh well. And then that's where the USB-C charger goes in there. Let's put that over there. what else is there? Oh, that's it. Nothing else. Anything in there? No, it's just a nice cloth type thing at the top of the box. Now let's get to the machine itself. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is how we do it, yeah? Right, this is space grey, but for some reason I thought it'd have been greyer. Have I got this right around? It's very thin, it's very light. I don't know if you can see how thin that is. I mean, that's almost like this, the same thickness of the strip on the table. In fact, it's even less, I think. Hold on. Yeah, it's less. I don't know if you can see that, but it's less. That must be the headphone jack there. No other ports. See that? Nothing at the back. Looks like there's some vents under here. On this side, you've got two USB-C ports. And at the bottom, just the lingo, which you can't really see, and couple of screws. Oh look, put finger marks on it. Apple logo. Right, now the test I've heard everyone do is you're supposed to be able to just lift this up with your thumb. Let's see. Ooh! Wow! Instant start. Are you joking right now? Let's take this off. What's going on? Instant start, yeah? Oh, and then you got like the normal, you know, welcome language screen and all that. I'm gonna fill that out another time, but you see the magic touch bar here.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, so it tells me, the speakers sound good. Speakers sound good. Let me see how, no, nothing. That's for the brightness of the keys, I suppose. Volume. I suppose I have to, it's not touch screen. So you got Mac there, you can see it. I mean, it's really nice. I'm so excited. Now, these Macs, there's so much videos of these and how the M1 chip works, or the silicone Mac chip, whatever they call it. I am not going to go into specs. I am just using this computer. I've gone for 16 gig, 16 RAM memory because I don't want my programs to fail on me while I'm doing that. I've already had it on my MacBook 12. And I've gone for a mid-range 512 storage because although I'm going to use external storages for videos, because I obviously don't want to keep everything on here, I just want to make sure I have enough room for those things where I can load on and leave and then do again if I need be, and it doesn't slow down the computer. Things like that. I just think 128 is just, I don't know, you can get that in your phones now. And I use that pretty quickly. So 512 was better for me. And that's why I bought this. You can spec them out on the Apple website to how you want. And they do run pretty pricey. I haven't used a 13-inch screen for a long time. So it's got to be different. But I think if I don't like the size, I've got a monitor what I can use. I'll probably add that to it. I'd have to get a dongle or what they call them, a hub, not a dongle, a hub, to connect the computer to that. But other than that, I don't know how, do I just close it and it shuts down? Is that it? I don't know. I'm gonna have to read up on this. I'm one of those people who I like to turn off my laptop and then close. I don't, close it down and want it to start straight back up. These ones I think just start straight up, so I'm assuming it just closes. But I've heard the battery life on this is phenomenal, so it shouldn't even be a problem. But I don't want it to be a problem. So I think I would like an off switch if there is one. Let's open that again. Oh, it's on. It's straight on. Can I turn this off? Someone comment below. I don't know. Can I turn this off? What's that? Is that off? Nothing's happening. I don't know what that is. Oh my. Oh, it's off. Yeah, it's off. I found the off switch, people. Yeah. Why am I sounding so much like a novice? Like I haven't used Macs before. But let's be honest, I've never used Macs like this. The keyboard. Yeah. These. It's back on. Yeah, these got a little. They don't travel as deep as the original keyboards, but I know they travel much more further than the predecessors before this, because I know a lot of people were just peed off with that keyboard. This feels. Oh, you know what? Let me turn it off again. I don't know if that is off. Did that work? Do I have to hold it longer? Whoa. What does that mean? Is it off? I don't know. Okay. I'm going to break the damn thing before I even use it. Yeah, it feels nice. The trackpad is massive. Am I going to have problems? My hand's going to be touching that when it... I hope not. A Mac are pretty good at this. They must have realised. Speakers are quite thin, but they sounded great. And I don't think they're even at the highest volume. So, yeah. This is it. This is my new... I'm not going to call it baby yet. I'm just going to call it my workhorse. Not baby yet. It has to earn that. My MacBook 12, yeah, that was my baby. That was the one. Never let me down. Nothing. Even to this day, until I started pushing it too much. But I blame it on the programs. It's not me, it's the programs. It's not my Mac, it's the programs. They're taking up too much stuff. And okay, it did run really, really hot. Really hot, like, you know, I couldn't work with it on my lap. But this, from the videos I've seen, this shouldn't get hot. But I'm not gonna even do. I would do a review. You know what? Later on, tell me what you want. I'm just gonna do a month's review after use. If you want that, let me know in the comments. Because, like I said, I'm not technical. I'm not gonna get into the specs and things like that. I was gonna tell you, does it do what I want it to do? That's all. I don't care how it works. I just want it to do what it does. I don't care about benchmarks and things like that. Does it do what I want it to do? So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell you. I've got some other videos going back to the usual program of trainers and kicks, but this one is gonna be interesting for me, you know, because like I said to you, I haven't upgraded or bought a new Mac for 8 years. So I wanted to wait a little longer, but I needed the computer. Would I go for a 16-inch? I don't know. I actually don't mind this size. I actually don't mind this size. Does it turn on again? Yes! Look at that! No mucking about. Just on. It's on. But anyway, listen. That's me. Thanks for watching. I'm out. My new MacBook M1 Pro. Let's go!